Alright guys, welcome back to South Plains Trains. This is the latest from Bowser. It's the GMD SD40-2 CP rail. This particular one is the B unit, as you can tell by the blacked out cab windows. The detail on it is amazing. Guys, these Bowser locomotives, they are impressive. I had a couple from the first run and they seem to just be extremely nice. They were really heavy. They have LEDs. The sound in them is pretty great. I mean, it's got ESU Loksound, so of course it's going to sound great. This particular model is brand new. This one I'm showing you today does have the ESU Loksound in it, so we'll go through those features here in a second. As you can see, this is the Pac-Man, what they call it, the Pac-Man style paint scheme for CP. And let's get to it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and start it up. And here I go, turn on the lights, and as you can tell, the light boards will come on with the headlight. And it's going to be kind of hard to see in the video, but the number boards are on now. Let me flick it off one more time so you can see that. So you can see that they turn off with the light. Now I don't know how that works out with the functions. I haven't played with the functions yet, but I'm sure the lights turn on and off at different times, so maybe you can move that to a different function. I'm not sure on that right now. So here's the horn. Sounds really good. Here's the bell. So let's kick it up. I'm just gonna let it sit there and hit the buffer. But as you can tell, it's pretty quiet with the actual motor noise. You can't hear much. So let's bring it back over here so you guys can see it up close. Let me zoom in on it. I'm going to hit the buffer again. So we'll go ahead and let it kick it back to idle. Okay. So this is what it looks like. I mean, it's pretty awesome. I'll have some pictures, some up close pictures with my light booth here in a little bit, and I'll have it separately added into the video. So let's listen to it turn off. So here it is, turning itself off. Alright, so you're going to hear the leftover sounds of it dripping and everything else, which I think is really awesome. So let's go ahead and turn off the lights. Alright, that's off. So I'm going to let y'all hear it with the noise off so that you do know what you're getting with the non-sound versions. I mean, like I said, it's got a really smooth and powerful drive, and it's really quiet, which is really nice. I mean, you can still hear the dripping, and you can't even hear the motor move. Guys, these Bowsers are amazing. So let me bring it back so you see them both. Sorry for my finger getting in the way there. So anyway, I've got a few of these left. I've got both of the road numbers in the B units, both with sound. I've also got 6058 in a DCC ready version. So this is 6058. I know it's kind of hard to see with the glare, but we have this one. This is another 6058. This one is the sound version. And also, let me remind you, the 6058 and 6062 are both going to be the same exact engine, just a different road number. And then also we have this 752 BC rail, and this is a DCC ready as well. My prices are $220 with free shipping for the sound versions, $150 with free shipping for the non-sound versions. So I've only got 4 of these left. I may be able to get a few more depending on what they are, but I think they're pretty awesome, and I think that they're going to sell out pretty fast. So make sure that you get your order in. Like I usually do with my other videos, let me show you what the weight is, because everybody likes to know what the weight is. So this guy weighs 19.25 ounces, and that is just with the engine, okay? So here's a quick flyby of all the features and everything, of the details. I think they've done a very good job on this second run. It's even got the winterization hatch. One thing that's in particularly different than the EMD SD40-2s is they only have a single headlight or a single rear light on these locomotives. They also have a little bit bigger frames on them, but besides that, I mean, this is the Canadian version, so of course it's going to be a little bit different. And let me flip it around. And just so that y'all see, it is at 0, so it is zeroed out. So I'm not trying to fool y'all on the weight. It is actually over a pound. For those of you that don't know, 16 ounces make a pound, so this guy is a pound and 3.25 ounces. So it's pretty heavy. It's going to be able to pull a lot. So anyway, let me know if y'all got any questions. I'll try and answer them. I think they've really knocked it out of the park on this model. Let me know, guys. I appreciate your time. I appreciate you watching this. All right.